recording? Hi, Bluegrass Honey and Bees here again, coming to you from Eastern Kentucky. I'm not really sure what to record yet still. Come back to the hive that I took my very first video of. I want to do some work on it today. It's been about 8 days since I've been in this hive. I want to go and fix the frames. Yeah. Wonder how happy the hive is going to be today. Probably not too happy because I'm going to be shaking frames. A lot of smoke. I use just. I've seen some people really smoke the heck out of their hives. I guess it's to each their own. What works for me may not work for you. They're still growing. I do not see a queen in the box. But let's be sure. Smoke. There's a slid. Man, it's got more weight to it today than it did the other day. I swear something's still coming in. Might be sourwood, I don't know. I don't have any experience with sourwood, so we're going to one, see if we see the queen, and two, fix all these cattywampus frames. So I like this frame. Is there a queen on it anywhere? There's not. But we gotta be certain. Don't want to take a risk of putting her on the ground. So what we got here? See a queen. See food. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Really calm. Fix this. That. Generally, I'll leave this bridge comb, but I'm going to do that today. There's brood. Where are you, Mama? I expect to see her here, but you never know. Thinking she's a jet black one, which makes it hard to see. Oh, there she is. Where did you come from? We don't got my marking pen, do we?
No.
She's a dark queen. She's black. So she's right there. And she's laying an egg right now. But where did she come from? I do not know. So we know where she's at. And more of their queen cells. I don't know if I left this one or not last time. There's nothing in it. It's a queen cup at this point. Pollen, food. I have no real honey stores. Probably gonna need to feed these guys. So now, this next one. This one is not completely drawn out. So I'm going to move it to this other hive. This other hive barn. This guy. This is the black. Looks pretty good. And the other side they're still working on, but a little bit of food to fix that. This guy. He looks okay. In there. And then we're going to take this one. And they still got some wax on it so they can draw. Stick it right here. Now we'll go into the top hive body. And I might have them draw it all out with food. Really torn on that. I'd rather them pack food away. And all their food is in the top box right there. So this is one they were working on, and I guess they've stopped because that's what it looks like to me. And this one should be the brood frame. Oh, maybe not. What do we got here? Ah, it's a frame of food. It's a nectar. Could have swore I cut these out the other day. Maybe they're wanting to supersede. I think this is the one I don't want in the colony. No, it's good. I don't see any tunnels or bridges. Nowhere queen could hide. This one should be fine. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of all these little pups. Just because I want to see if they rebuild them. Shoot. I don't think I'm going to give him that one. I want to find that brood that's up here. There's more food. Another cup. This is fresh nectar. Do because I got cattywampus frames and I'm a single brood chamber management outfit, I guess you'd call us, is I'm going to put these up here. I'm going to kind of checkerboard them. Got food up here, and there is some brood, and we're going to put that on top of this, and then we're going to come back later this week. We're going to give them a gallon of food. Even though they got some food, I want them to work on those undrawn combs and finish drawing that stuff out. And I'll simulate a nectar flow by doing that. Hopefully not simulate, but swarm. Get them to draw it out. However, it's worth noting that I still believe there's a nectar flow happening.